Hi, Dallas here with ProPhone. In this video, we're going to be going over the provider's integration area inside of the phone settings. To access this area, all you have to do is click on the phone settings here and go to provider's integration area in the settings modal. And then basically you can connect your Twilio account or your Telnyx account or both because we support both carriers in this phone system. Okay. Now let's go over how to connect to each carrier to give you an idea of how to do this. So for Twilio, all you're going to do is click on connect. And then you're going to input your account information here. I'm going to show you how to do this. Let's go over to the Twilio console. This is your dashboard. If you scroll down your dashboard, you'll see your account information. You'll see the account SID here. And what you're going to do is you're going to copy the account SID. This is your account ID. And you'll paste that here. Okay. Let's go ahead. Yeah, and then basically from there you'll copy your authorization token. Don't show it. I wouldn't show it. Just copy it unless you just want to see it. Click copy, paste the auth token there, and then what you're going to want to do is create an API key. Now to create an API key, you can click on go to API keys down here. We're not going to use this one. We're just going to create a new one, just so you can see how it works. Let's give it a friendly name. Let's just, you can call it your name, your business name, whatever you're comfortable with. I'm just going to call this test. And then we're going to click on create. All right. Now what you're going to want to do from here before you click done or before you click got it, you're going to copy this SID. This is your API key. Okay. So copy this. And it's not the same as the account. The account starts with AC. Your API keys start with SK. Okay. So click copy, go back to ProPhone, and then you'll paste that here. And you'll notice we even have the difference set up here. It shows you the input. Anyways, besides the point. And then you go over here to secret key. You'll copy this. Once you copy this and paste it here and click connect, it will connect your Twilio account. But once you click done, you will not be able to access the secret key again. So make sure that you store this somewhere. Otherwise, down the road, if you have to disconnect and reconnect for whatever reason, you can simply just delete this API or delete this API key or API setup here and just create a new one. It's fine. But after you create this, click got it and click done. And it will create the API key in the system. Go to ProPhone, like I said earlier, and just click connect. And that will go ahead and connect Twilio. Okay. Now, Telnyx, go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect Telnyx. This will also show you how to disconnect provider. It will clean up the numbers and stuff like that. So what it does, it basically deletes all your numbers attached to that carrier out of the system. It doesn't delete it from the carrier, it deletes it out of the system. They can be re-imported later if you connect back. It'll delete all the chats attached to that number inside of ProPhone. It'll delete the number out of your call forwarding area, which will also take the call forwarding off the feature of the number in the carrier. It'll take it out of your markets. It basically cleans up the account for you, anything that's connected to Telnyx, okay? Or, well, Telnyx Twilio, you get the point. Let's go ahead and click disconnect provider. Let's give it a second so it can go ahead and do its work. Give it a second. There we go. So you can see my number disappeared back here. Now let's go ahead and connect Telnyx. That way I can show you guys how that works. So in Telnyx, you'll click connect. And then you're going to enter your API key and public key from Telnyx. I use Telnyx. That's just who I like. To me, it's a lot cheaper. It's like, even with carrier fees and everything, I think I'm paying with 10DLC is like 0.007 to 0.0079 per text versus Twilio, it's literally 0.0079 plus carrier fees. And on Telnyx, on your incoming message, it's like 0.004. So it's just Telnyx is a lot cheaper, okay? I advise you guys to check out the pricing structure for each one. That way you can make an informed decision. But that's ultimately why I use Telnyx, okay? It's just cheaper. I send a lot of text messages, like thousands. So for me, every penny counts. All right, so let's go to Telnyx. I'll show you guys how to use this. This is the Telnyx dashboard. What you're going to want to do is you'll go over here and you'll click on API keys. And then you click on create API key. Let's give this a name. We're going to call this test. Doesn't matter. And then you can set an expiration date for it or no expiration. That is up to you. Click create. Okay. Now you're going to copy this API key and you go in here and you'll paste that API key here. Okay. And then you will need your public key. Now, once you close that, you will not be able to get it back. So keep in mind, if you need an API key or if you forgot it or whatever, just delete it and create a new one. I've done that multiple times. But to get your public key, go in here and click on public key. And then you will copy this public key, go in here, paste it, connect. and then you'll be connected to Telnyx. That is how you connect your providers. If you guys have any questions whatsoever going over how to connect or how to do things with your carriers, I am more than happy to try to assist you the best I can. Just submit a support ticket by clicking on the profile drop down here. Click on help and support. I don't have it here because my support center is inside the admin panel because this is my system. But you click on help and support here, and then you will click on get support by submitting a support ticket, or you can request a feature, or you can report a bug. Okay. But that is the providers integration area. If you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the platform, and I'll see you in the next video.